Today, me and my team are presenting a review on implication of integrating IFRS in Australian accounting system as an assignment for Accounting Theories and Current Issues Group ES1, team number 21. The main need for, this is the names of our team members. My name is Jagruiti and I'll tell you why we needed to integrate IFRS with Australian accounting system, okay? So, the rapid market globalization demands for common accounting practices so that it's understandable, calculable, and comparable by the companies and agencies all over the world. Basically, it's like making one language for all the companies all over the market. Could you go to the next slide, please? There are various differences in the accounting system of IFRS and AASB, but it was seen that during the study that AASB already was practicing various parts of IFRS within. Next, please. In this table, we can see the differences between IFRS and AASB. The first difference is in part presentation of financial statements. As we can see, AASB already had income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statements, but IFRS adds statement of changes in equity. Accounting for inventories already in AASB, LIFO method is not allowed, while IFRS follows the normal procedures for inventory calculations. The third one is preparations for the cash flow statements. In IFRS, it needs compliance with AASB standards, whereas AASB standards needs additional closures in comparison to IFRS. The preparation of the income statement is in part 4, and in this, the changes in accounting policies must be made only for the legal requirements, whereas in AASB, the changes are required even if it's demanded by other accounting standards. And so hereby, I would like to pass the executive summary to Kamal, and she will take over. Thank you very much.
So I'm Kamal, so I'm going to elaborate about summary of implications of IFRS. So the International Accounting Standard Board issued an international accounting reporting system which has to adopt by every country including Australia on or after 1st of January 2005, announced by FRC in Australia. So after adoption of IFRS, almost all of the papers show that IFRS has positive impacts on Australian Stock Exchange, Australian businesses, Australian economy, and many more. So some other reports on the other hand suggest that accounting quality has not that improved, and it also affects the status of AASB. So there are these papers shows that accounting quality is more efficient in AGEAP than IFRS. So it can also be said that for some Australian entities, the adoption of IFRS standards are really demanding and challenging, especially for non-profit organizations. So to confirm that the standards are in favor of necessities of customers, AASB have to observe the standards which are taken by other IASB standards. So now I'm going to call Melina for next. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamal. I'm here for the benefits of the adopting IFRS. After the adoption of the IFRS, many accounting firms has moved straightforward by the consolidating of the financial statement of multinational groups as well as internal reports. Also, financial statement prepared using homogeneous standard, which helps investor to better understand investment opportunities, and also it will lead a flow for more remittance by encouraging the international investor to invest and even more. And it has its own benefits in the Australian business as well. So it will be effective. Capital market will improve access to the capital with lower cost. Also, with the lower reporting cost by removing the need for the production of more than one or more than financial report to satisfy the requirement of different sets of the regulations. Also, regarding the accounting profession also, multinational company will be highly benefited by the simplification of the accounting function. And furthermore, international accounting firms will have more advantage like as the transferability of the staff, such as cost saving will also be likely to achieve by writing the own board operations. Now I'd like to call Renu for the cost part of the assignments. Thank you.
Thanks, Melina. This is Renu Parajuli here. Despite all these benefits, there are some cost of adoptions of IFRS as well. The first one is for accounting profession. Adopting IFRS was not that simple, and some researchers at 2004 indicated that the change to IFRS would cost more than 3 million. The next cost is for Australian business. The introduction of new financial reporting has been a major cost for external users such as stakeholders, company analysts, IT suppliers, and so on. The next cost is for accounting profession, which is that there is a need to re-educate and train members as well as users. It dilutes the requirement contained in pre-existing ISB To alter this standard, there are various new rules made on superannuations and allowable accounting treatment. So there is a reduction in the status of IASB as a national standard setter, which also diminishes the innovation and effectiveness. And now I would like to hand over this presentation to Mohit to continue. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mohit. Today I am here to explain my part, that is conceptualization of amended standards. So here we go. So firstly, the advantage to adopt IFRS to ease of cross-border recourse financial statement likeness for the shareholders, lessen the cost of capital in Australia, and upgrade admittance to foreign capital for Australian entities. Moreover, there are various impacts to the business units when the amendment of ASB through the adoption of international financial reporting standards in the analysis of the business units cost and benefits is done. Moreover, cost and benefits is processed by which the business units in Australia are analyzed. So in this case, total costs are subtracted from the total benefits to attain the gain within the financial period. However, it is also used to determine the break-even point of the company. So basically, they will every company will see, of the users can see where the company, the economic growth of the company in the market. So these aids are going to help in the decision-making process of the users of the financial information either in the short run or long run. So I would like to call Abhijot for her part. Thank you.
Hi, this is Abhijot. My topic is focused contribution of amendment standards. In Australian business environment, the adoption of IFRS as a new method of conducting cost and benefit analysis has led to the improvement of efficiency in the capital market, since it creates the room for the preparation of high quality, comparable and transparent financial reports and various domestic and foreign users. These also enhance the performance of the business entities in Australia. Okay, next one. Besides this, these are other benefits that of amending the AASB by adopting the IFRS codes. These aids in the isolation of the small size. These aids in the isolation of the small size and needs for competitive advantage in attracting foreign investors as well as the international investors also. It is due to the fact that the comparability increases. There is a subsequent incline in the flow of international investment by lower cost of the capital. These enables the Australian companies to produce the financial reports which are competitive and comparable in the world market. Therefore, given that the IFRS standards have been implemented, it means that the Australian policymakers and the ASB has valued its costs and benefits. Due to the fact that the benefits are favorable, they decided to adopt the new reporting system. Thanks.
Wait.